Hi guys, welcome to Supercuber Reshan. In my last video, I showed you how to make Bangladesh flag by 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And in this video, I will show you how to make Japan flag by 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like, share and comment. Let's begin. First, we need to solve Rubik's Cube and keeping white color in front of. And then we apply a trick. The trick is M and M and M prime. And look, it's a Japan flag. Yes, it's Japan flag. This is not circle, this is square, but Japan flag's red color is circle. And before ending this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Don't forget to click the bell icon. See you in next video.